My name's Alistair. I'm the founder and managing director of LINKFire. We're a program maintenance company in the fire and essential services space, maintaining about 9,500 buildings of varying sizes, from small places, factories like we're in now, to multi-level huge buildings in CBD. We were one of the first companies of our size and did embrace software. I thought I can build my own software. To tell you the truth, and this business broke. And it was in chaos. It really was chaos. When I was introduced to Uptick and put my faith in Aidan and the team, we really haven't looked back since.
My name's Madison. I am currently the operations manager here at LINKFire. So moving on to Uptick, we were able to create efficiencies within the office, which enabled us to streamline a lot of processes. We had a lot of support from the then team members at Uptick sitting next to us day by day, teaching us all of the processes that we need to be taught.
There was certainly a difference between Uptick and the previous experiences we've had with software companies, that they really did follow through. Because if you've got the field technicians that embrace a product and can use a product to what it's designed to do, it makes everything else through the whole business so much more simpler.
Everything is just so much more smoother. Everything's a click away. All of the data is clear and it's just a lot more user-friendly.
We run a paperless environment now, so we've gone from requiring a huge big photocopy that went through thousands and thousands of copies a month that doesn't do anything these days. And I put that to the software and it's live right through to the accounting stage, so I can tell you any time of the month where we're at on revenue, profit and all those things.
We've been able to have a succinct process from our technicians to in the office. Now this has created efficiencies across the board and has also meant that we were able to generate a higher profit for all office-based employees, which has then contributed to an increase in business profit.
We've gone from under 40 staff to over 80 full-time staff. Revenue has increased threefold. The amount of staff, the volume of work and the profitability has certainly increased exponentially. Would I recommend Uptick? Given what I've just told you already, I think it's a no-brainer. Yes, I would recommend Uptick.
I would recommend Uptick to any company who's looking to move to the next step of technology and to also help grow your business.
They really know the industry and they know what we're trying to achieve, and they also know our customers' businesses as well. So yeah, it's been a good journey. It's been a great journey.